In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Bank of America mobile banking login credentials. If you found yourself locked out or need to reset your password, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring you regain access smoothly and securely. First, you'll want to open up the Bank of America mobile app on your device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the app is available for both. Once you have it launched, you'll immediately notice the sign in screen. Here, just under the password field, there's an option that says Forgot ID Passcode. Go ahead and tap on that to get started on resetting your credentials. Next, you'll see the option to select Forgot Passcode. This will be your gateway to begin the process of resetting your online banking password. After choosing this, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This step is crucial to ensure your account's security and that only authorized users can change the passcode. You'll now need to decide on your preferred verification method. Generally, there are two options available: using your ATM or debit card number along with your PIN, or via your account number combined with your social security number or tax ID. Choose the method that is most convenient and accessible for you. Then tap on the Continue button to proceed. Once that's done, you'll encounter the security verification step. Here, you will enter required details to further verify your identity. Depending on the information provided, you may receive a one-time security code. This will be delivered to you either through a text message or via email, so keep an eye out on your devices for that code. After entering all necessary information accurately, you'll reach the part where you can create a new passcode. Carefully enter your new passcode twice to confirm it, making sure it aligns with the app's password requirements. These typically include a mix of letters, numbers, and perhaps a special character to ensure your passcode is secure. Finally, you're ready to sign in with your new passcode. Return to the sign-in screen where you started. Enter your online ID and the new passcode you just set up. After a successful login, you should see a confirmation indicating that your credentials have been updated successfully. This means you have successfully recovered access to your account, and there you have it. Your Bank of America mobile banking login credentials are now updated, and you're back in business. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Always remember to keep your password secure and only share it with those you trust. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful banking tips and tutorials.